I just hooked everything up. This is the new Kuppet, the 1040603 500. Just got it today, hooking it up. It's real easy to hook up. Get your one line for your drain, right there, for your inlet. These are both inlets right here for your spinner, and then this is for your washer. It's real easy to hook up. The hose up to the sink with a clamp, and you just turn it on and start filling up. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try my bed sheets in there first. I rinsed it out with a clean cycle first before I used anything. You know? Check her out, you know? Then her in there. Hopefully the bed sheets gets in there. If not, I've gotta hang them up. It's your lint tray.
It says real easy to pick up. I'm not really sure yet. I haven't taken it out yet. Alright, right there. You just push down your phone. That's what your water comes in there. You clean that out once in a while. Nothing back in there. It's easy.
Oh. I don't know, I'm thinking just fill it up to right here.
That's good enough for circulation, you know.
But it's been pretty good. It's all normal. You know? It's pretty strong there. And I threw my bed sheets in there. I'm just going to start with one in there. Yeah, I put my pillow sheets in there too. I can just grab them. Alright, but just see how it is, you know? Very good, easy hookup. Alright.